Good morning, students. So, yesterday we are discussing about Cartesian product of two sets. Based on the definition of Cartesian product of two sets by solving the problems. Okay. Now, today I am going to deal with similar problems, some more problems based on Cartesian product of two sets. Okay. Now, to solve some more problems. Look here, problem number 8. What is the question? If the ordered pair x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to ordered pair 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Now the question, find the value of x and y. Look here. Now we have first problem, that is problem number 8. 8 problem solution. Given data. Here put it on ordered pair x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 2. Now to find the value of x and y. Now equating the corresponding value. Therefore, corresponding value x by 3 plus 1 is equal to its corresponding value is 5 by 3. Right? And y minus 2 by 3 is equal to its corresponding value 1 by 3. Okay, now simplify. This implies x by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. 1 goes to right side, that is minus 1. Here y is equal to 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 goes to right side plus 2 by 3. Okay, this implies x by 3 is equal to, take the LCM. LCM is 3. 1 3s are, 3 1s are, that is 5 minus 3. Okay. And here y is equal to LCM is 3. 3 1s are, 3 1s are, that is 1 plus 2. Therefore, x by 3 is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2 by 3. Right? And y is equal to 3 divided by 3. Cross multiplication, that 3 goes to here. That 3 get cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to how much? 2. And y is equal to that 3 cancel 1. So the value of x is 2, y value is 1. Clear, students? Very simple question. Equating the corresponding values. Then go on simplify. Right? Whereas problem number 9 problem. The Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found 2 ordered pairs are given, minus 1 comma 0 0 comma 1. Now find the set A and remaining elements of A cross A. In A cross A, totally how many ordered pairs? 9 ordered pairs. Among 9 ordered pairs, 2 ordered pairs are given. Now we have to find out remaining 7 ordered pairs. Now here the Cartesian product of A cross A has 9 elements. Now given A cross A has 9 elements. 9 elements. Therefore set A has how many elements? 3 elements. Because set A contains 3 elements and then again set A contains 3 elements. A cross A. 3 into 3, how much? 9 elements. So that A has 3 elements. Now among the 9 elements, 2 ordered pairs are given. Minus 1 comma 0 belongs to A cross A. Right? And 0 comma 1 belongs to A cross A. A cross A solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 9 ordered pairs ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ordered pair ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Now to find remaining ordered pair. Now here given minus 1 comma 0 belongs to A cross A. Therefore, definition of Cartesian product. First member belongs to first set. ಅದನ್ನೇನಾಯ್ತು? minus 1 belongs to first set. 0 belongs to second set. Right? Whereas here again definition of Cartesian product. 0 belongs to A set and 1 belongs to A set. Correct? Definition of Cartesian product. Observe ಮಾಡಿ A set ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆಯ್ತು A set ಅಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಇದೆ 0 ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು 1 ಇದೆ so that among those two we conclude that therefore A is a set consisting of three numbers -1 0 1 A is a set consisting of three numbers -1 0 1 ಸಿಕ್ತಾ ಮೂರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ now to find A cross A is equal to A set -1 0 1 cross again A set -1 0 1 therefore A cross A is equal to definition of Cartesian product ordered pair ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ -1 -1 right next -1 0 next -1 right next 0 -1 next 0 0 next 0 1 right next one is 1 -1 next 1 0 then 1 1 verify how many ordered pairs 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ordered pairs among 9 ordered pairs 2 ordered pairs are given ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ -1 0 given then 0 1 is given ಎರಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ what are remaining ordered pairs therefore remaining ordered pairs are remaining 9 elements remaining how many elements 7 elements find the set remaining elements of A cross A ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 -1 right then -1 1 then 0 -1 then 0 0 then 1 -1 then 1 0 then 1 1 remaining 7 ordered pairs correct so ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ Cartesian product of A cross A has 9 elements A cross A ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 9 ordered pairs ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ordered pair ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ remaining ordered pairs ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ first A set ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ how to find out A set look here -1 0 belongs to A cross A that is given as well as 0 1 belongs to A cross A that is given now find the set A definition of Cartesian product first member belongs to first set second member belongs to second set first member ಯಾವುದು -1 belongs to A and 0 belongs to A here 0 belongs to A and 1 belongs to A so that from these two we conclude that in the set A contains what are the elements -1 0 1 0 is there repeat I take one time -1 in the set A contains -1 0 1 we got three elements right then to find A cross A these are the ordered pairs among those ordered pairs those two ordered pairs are given -1 0 and 0 1 remaining ordered pairs remaining 7 ordered pairs clear students ಇದು clean ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು okay then 10th question 10th problem ಏನಿದೆ let A is the set consisting of three elements namely 1 2 3 and B is a set consisting of two elements 3 4 and C is a set consisting of three elements 4 5 6 given data three sets are given A is a set consisting of three elements B be a set consisting of two elements 3 4 and C be a set consisting of three elements 4 5 6 now the question find one by one A cross B intersection C find A cross B intersection A cross C find A cross B union C then fourth one find A cross B union A cross okay now to find one by one so first one is find A cross B intersection C is equal to very simple what is A set 1 2 A is the set 1 2 right B is the set A is the set 1 2 3 B is the set 3 4 then C is the set 4, 5, 6. A set 1, 2, 3 cross B intersection C. B set contains two elements 3, 4. C set contains 4, 5, 6. Find B intersection C. Intersection means what? Common element among those two sets. What is common element? Common element. Only one number. 4. Right? That is equal to. In between these two cross product, Cartesian product. Definition of Cartesian product. Order pair 1, 4. Right? Then 2, 4. Then 3, 4. So this is A cross B intersection C value. First one is over. Right? Second one, same type. Find A cross B. Okay. Intersection A cross C is equal to. Model A cross B solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So A cross B. A set contains how many elements? 3 elements. 1, 2. B set contains how many elements? 2 elements. 3, 4. Okay. Now to find A cross B, A set 1, 2, 3, B set 3, 4. In between these two cross product. Definition of cross product. Order pair. What are the order pairs? 1, 3, 1, 4. Right? Next 2, 3. Then 2, 4. Right? Next 3, 3. Then 3, 4. This is A cross B. Intersection. A cross C. A set and C set. Again apply Cartesian product. A cross C. 1, 4. 1, 5. 1, 6. 1, 5. 1, 6. Next 2, 4. Right? Then 2, 5. Right? Then 2, 6. Next 3, 4. 3, 5. Then 3, 6. This is A cross C. Right? So in between these two order pairs, now the notation is here intersection. Intersection means what? Common. Common order pairs among those two. If you have common is common is 1, 3 is there in second part? No. 1, 4 is there? This is common. Right? 2, 3 is there? No. 2, 4 is there? Yes. That is common. 3, 3 is there? No. 3, 4 is there? Yes. Only 3 common. Namely 1, 4. Right? Then 2, 4. Then 3, 4. Correct? 1, 4 common is there. 2, 3 there nodri illa. 2, 4 is there. 3, 3 is there? No. 3, 4 is there? Yes. Only 3 ordered pairs. 1, 4. 2, 4. Then 3, 4. This is A cross B. Intersection A cross C. Clear, friends? Okay. Next, third one. Third question. In find A cross B union C. Find A cross B union C is equal to. What is A set? A set contains 3 elements. 1, 2, 3. Cross B union C. B set 3, 4. C set 4, 5, 6. B union C. Union means what? Combination of both the sets. B ಮತ್ತು C set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? B union C. 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 already taken. Don't repeat it. Okay. Now, in between these two cross product. Cross product. Definition of Cartesian product. Order pair 1, 3. 1, 4. 1, 5. 1, 6, right? Next 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, then 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, then 3, 6. This is A cross B union C. B union C. Union means combination of both the sets B and C. Then in between these two, cross product, ordered pairs. These are the ordered pairs. Okay. Then fourth one. Fourth one is find A cross B union A cross. A cross B union A cross is equal to A cross B. We will solve it. This is A cross B. Here is 1, 3, 1, 4, then 2, 3, then 2, 4, right? 3, 3, then 3, 4. This is A cross. Union. A cross C. A cross C is also there. This is A cross. 1, 4, right? Then 1, 5. Okay. 1, 6. Then 2, 4. 2, 5. Then 2, 6. Now here I will repeat once again. So third one is A cross B union C. Is it clear? Okay. Then fourth one. Fourth one is find A cross B union A cross. A cross B union A cross C is equal to A cross B. Will solve ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ. This is A cross B, namely 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, right? Then 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, then 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. This is A cross union A cross C. A cross C value 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, then 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, then 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. This is A cross. In between these two notation is union. Union means what? Combination. Combined all ordered pairs. ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ what are ordered pairs? ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ordered pairs ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. 1, 3, 1, 4, then 1, 5, right? 1, 6, then 2, 3, 2, 4, right? 2, 5, 2, 6. Okay, next. Next one is 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. ಎರಡೂ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 then 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6. This is A cross B union A cross C. Clear students? Okay. Now next one is 11th question. 11th question is if P is the set consisting of two elements, find P cross P cross P. Find P cross P cross P. Okay. So first you note down. You note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ clean ಆಗಿ. Okay. Then afterwards we will discuss 11th and 12th problem. Okay. Yes. 11th problem. If P is a set consisting of two elements 1, 2. Find P cross P cross P. Now first to find P cross P. P cross P is equal to P is the set 1, 2. Again same set 1, 2. Right? In between these two Cartesian product, cross product. Definition of cross product. How to write? 1, 1. Then 1, 2. Right? Then 2, 1. Then 2, this is P cross. But the question to find P cross P cross P, three sets. But you know that P cross P value 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2 cross and the set P. What is that? P set contains two elements 1, 2. right? So that in between these two notation is Cartesian product, cross product. Again definition of cross product. Aggregate code 1 1 1. Next 1 1 1 2 1 1. Next 1 2 1. Next 1 2. Then 2 1 1. 2 1. Then 2 2 1. 2 2. Okay. So here we have 1 1 1. Right? Next 1 1 2. We are not elements आएगा. Next number 1 2 1. 1 2 2. Okay. Next 2 1 1. 2 1 2. Okay. Then 2 2 1. Then 2 2. This is P cross P cross. Clear, students? And last problem in this result in Cartesian product, if A cross B is equal to ordered pairs, namely P comma Q, P comma R, M comma Q, then M comma R. Now the question, find the set, separate set A and B. Very simple. Now here A set is equal to, this is A cross B. How to find out set A and set B? You know the definition of Cartesian product of two sets. A cross B is defined as ordered pair PQ such that first member belongs to first set, second member belongs to second set. So however first member is A set. Second member is B set. So that A set is B, then yeah, two elements. What of B set? Second member belongs to second set. What are the second members? Q, then R. Q already taken, R is already taken, only two elements. So A is equal to set A is equal to P comma M, set B is equal to Q comma R. So these are the problems based on Cartesian product of two sets. Is it clear, students? So clean ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವಿಡಿಯೋ 2-3 times observe ಮಾಡಿ pause ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay? So these are all important questions ನಿಮಗೆ ask in final exam. Okay? Practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. Okay? So next part is relations. So in relations and functions, this is one of the important basic concept, that is Cartesian product. Based on Cartesian product of two sets, now define relation. How the relation under you. Okay. Now let us discuss next result, that is relation. Very simple concept. So next result, most important, that is relation. So here in our daily life we use the word relation. Now daily life alle ee word annu use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Relation, ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕರು, he is my relative. Okay, friend of, brother of, sister of, wife of, these are the relations. Okay, now here in mathematics, define relation. Before defining the relation, you know the definition of Cartesian product of two sets. A cross B is equal to ordered pair in general A comma B such that first member belongs to first set and second member belongs to second set. Now for example, A is the set consisting of 3 elements 1, 3, 4. B be a set consisting of again 3 elements 2, then 5, then 8. Okay. Then A cross B is equal to, find A cross B. What are ordered pairs? Ordered pair 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 3, 2, then 3, 5, right? Then 3, 8. Okay. Next 4, 2, 4, 5, then 4, 2. These are the ordered pairs in A cross B. Okay. So using the definition of Cartesian product of two sets, define relation. Look here, definition. if A and B are any two non-empty sets, A and B are any two non-empty sets. Non-empty means having some elements. Okay. Now define relation. A set R is said to be relation from A to B. Remember, a set R is said to be a relation from A to B if the condition R is subset of A cross B. Remember, if this condition is satisfied, then it is said to be a relation from A to B. ಯಾವ condition satisfy ಆಗಬೇಕು? R subset A cross B. You know the definition of subset in set theory, isn't it? Subset means what? All the elements of R belongs to A cross B. R set ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, A cross B ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. So that is, every ordered pairs of R is an ordered pairs in A cross B. R set ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ordered pairs A cross B ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is known as relation. If this condition is satisfied, then it is said to be a relation. In other words, another type of definition, any subset, both are same, any subset R of A cross B is said to be relation from A to B. Relation from A to B. Any subset R of A cross B is nothing but, if R is subset of A cross B, then R is said to be relation from A to B. If condition satisfied agittu andre, then we say that R is a relation from A to B. Suppose R is not subset of A cross B, we say that R is not a relation from A to B. Nodi, ee condition satisfied agadu. Subset andre gottide nimage. R set ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಎದ್ರಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು, A cross B ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is known as relation. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ R set ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ A cross B ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is not a relation. Remember, define relation. If A and B are any two non-empty sets, non-empty means having some elements, then the set R is said to be a relation from A to B if the condition R is subset of A cross B, or in other words, only one line definition of relation, any subset R of A cross B, that is nothing but R is subset of A cross B, then it is said to be relation from A to B. Clear? Now for example, A is a set consisting of 3 elements 1, 3, 4. B is a set consisting of 3 elements 2, 5, 8. A cross B, these are the ordered pairs. Now let us verify. Let R1 stands for, that is given, R1 stands for less than. Then the question, verify whether R1 is relation from A to B or not. R1 ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ, R1 stands for less than. A set ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾನ, B set ಇದೆ, A cross B is the set of ordered pairs. R1 stands for less than. What it means? Select R1 in A cross B. A cross B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Select R1, that is select R1 in A cross B such that ಎಂತ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? Less than. It means select R1 in A cross B such that first member is less than second member. Take those such ordered pairs. What are the ordered pairs? Say R1 is equal to, ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Less than ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ನಂಬರು ಎರಡನೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಗಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? Is it 1 is less than 2? Yes. First ordered pair 1, 2. Is it 1 less than 5? Yes. 1, 5. Is it 1 less than 8? Yes. 1, 8. Is it 3 less than 2? No. 3 is greater than 2. Leave it. Is it 3 less than 5? Yes. Order pair 3, 5. Is it 3 less than 8? Yes. 3 is less than 8. Order pair 3, 8. Is it 4 less than 2? No. 4 is greater than 2. But the current question is less than. Not there. Is it 4 less than 5? Yes. Next order pair 4, 5. Is it 4 less than 8? Yes. These are the ordered pairs. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. That is given. R1 stands for less than. It means select R1 in A cross B such that first member less than second member. These are the ordered pairs. Right? Now verify whether those ordered pairs belongs to A cross B. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ordered pair A cross B ಇದಾವ? Yes, obviously true. Clearly, CLY short for clearly R is subset of A cross B. R is subset of A cross B because all the ordered pairs of R1 belongs to A cross B. Right? Therefore, R1 is a relation from A to B. Right? R1 is a relation from A to B. Okay. Now here in the set R1, 1, 2 belongs to R1. 1 to R1 again. Exactly because 1 is less than. Therefore, 1, 2 belongs to R1. Then we say that 1 is related to what? Another number. 1, 2 belongs to R1. Therefore, we say that 1 is related to 2. In the symbol, we write 1 R2. Read it as 1 is related to. Is it 3, 2 belongs to R1? Or 3 to R1 ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ? 3 is more than 2, but the condition is less than. So 3, 2 does not belongs to R1. Then we say that 3 is not related to. 3 is not related to. Then in symbol we write 3 is not related to. Right? In general, if AB belongs to R1, then we say that A is related to B. Right? A is related to. Suppose if AB does not belongs to R1, then we say that A is not related to. Okay? Our set it is related. Our set that is not related. So definition of relation: any subset R of A cross B is called relation from A to B. Or in other words, if A and B are any two non-empty sets, then a set R is said to be a relation from A to B. Condition R is subset of A cross B. If this condition is satisfied, then it is said to be a relation. Otherwise, it is not a relation. This is first example. R1 stands for less than. These are the ordered pairs. Clearly, R1 is subset of A cross B. Therefore, R1 is a relation from A to B. Similarly, another example. The second example, take R1 stands for more than. Then third example, R1 stands for divides. Then fourth example, R1 stands for equals. Then you have to verify whether it is a relation from A to B or not. Okay? Here, first example, R1 stands for less than. Clearly, R1 is subset of A cross. Okay. Next, second example, let R1 stands for greater than. R1 stands for greater than. What it means? Select R1 in A cross B. A cross B select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Select R1 in A cross B such that first member is more than second member. ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? First number is more than second number. Is it 1 more than 2? No. 1 more than 5? No. 1 more than 8? No. 3 more than 2? Yes. First order pair 3, 3 more than 5? No. 3 more than 8? No. 4 more than 2? Yes. Then 4 more than 5? No. 4 more than 8? No. Only 2 ordered pairs. Right? Clearly, these 2 ordered pairs belong to A cross B or not? Yes. Clearly, R1 is subset of A cross B. Definite. Therefore, R1 is a relation from A to B. ಓಕೆ R1 ಈ ತರ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನ್ರಿ ನಾವೇ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನ ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ another example let R1 stands for divides R1 stands for divides select R1 in A cross B such that first member divides second member. Now here first member say if you take in general A, second member is B. A divides B denoted by the notation like this, that slash. Slash indicate divides. A divides B means not A divided by B. A divides B means B is divided by A. Exact divided by 2. Anta order place select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. First one. Now ಬರುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 1 2. 1 comma 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Is it 1 divides 2? 1 divides 2 means not 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. 1 divides 2 means 2 is divided by 1. Reverse. 2 is divided by 1. 1 2s are 2. Remainder is 0. Remainder should be 0. Take such order place. Clearly 1 2 belongs to R1 because 1 divides 2. Right? Is it 1 divides 5? Yes. 1 divides 5 means 5 is divided by 1. 1 5 are 5. Remainder is 0. Exact divider ಬೇಕಾ? Next, is it 1 divides 8? Yes. Is it 3 divides 2? No. 3 divides 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 3 divides 2 means not 3 divided by 2. 3 divides 2 means 2 is divided by 3. Don't take decimal. All are integers. Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. All are integers. ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು? It should be integers. So is it 3 divides 2? No. 3 divides 5? No. 3 divides 8? No. 4 divides 2? Is it 4 divides 2? Not 4 divided by 2. 4 divides 2 means 2 is divided by 4. Exact divider ಗೊತ್ತಾ? 4 number ಗೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0.5. That is 20. But 0.5 is it integer? No, that is not integer. So is it 4 divides 2? No, that is not divides 2. 4 divides 2 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 4 divides 5? No. 4 divides 8? Yes. 4 divides 8. It means what? 8 is divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. Remainder should be 0. So these are ordered pairs. Now here verify whether those ordered pairs belongs to A cross B. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ordered pairs A cross B ಗಳಿದಾವ? Yes. Clearly R1 is subset of A cross B. ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? So all ordered pairs belongs to A cross B. Therefore R1 is subset of A cross B. Therefore R1 is a relation from A to B. R1 is a relation from A to B. ನೋಡಿ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ R ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ A cross B ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is known as relation. Take one more example. Let R1 stands for, check it, equals. ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, R1 stands for equals. It means select R1 in A cross B such that first member is equal to second member. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿ, among those order pairs, is there any same order pairs in A cross B? First member is equal to second member because the condition here stands for equals. First member equal to second member. Is there any order pair in A cross B? No order pair. ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ, equal ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. So that is R1 is equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Empty. No order pair. So empty set is always subset of every set. Empty set is always subset of every set you know in set theory. Okay. R1 stands for equals. It means select R1 in A cross B such that first member equals second member. Is there any same order pairs in A cross B? No same order pair. So that R1 is equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ order pair ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? Empty. So that empty set is always subset of A cross B. Now this is known as empty relation. Remember, define empty relation. A relation R in a set A cross B is said to be empty relation, or a relation R in a set A is said to be empty relation if R is equal to no ordered pair denoted by empty, that is subset of A cross B. R1 ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. This example is known as empty relation. ಆ R1 ಒಳಗ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ empty relation. Clear students? So I will repeat once again. Defined relation. Remember, any subset R of A cross B. R set ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ A cross B ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is known as relation. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is not a relation. First example, R1 stands for less than. There are some ordered pairs. Okay, now clearly R1 is subset of A cross B. R1 is relation from A to B. Whereas second example, R1 stands for more than. Now these are ordered pairs. Clearly these ordered pairs belongs to A cross B. Therefore it is a relation from A to B. Another example, R1 stands for divides. It means select R1 in A cross B such that first member divides second member. 1 divides 2. 1 divides 2 means not 1 divided by 2. 2 is divided by 1. Idar meaning ಏನು? 1 divides 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by 2 ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು. 2 is divided by 1. Remember, clearly the divisibility values 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 4, 8. Clearly those ordered pairs belongs to A cross B. Therefore it is a relation from A to B. Another example, let R1 stand for equals. It means select R1 in A cross B such that first member equals to second member. A cross B ಬರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ, first member equals to second member. ಯಾವಾದರೂ equal ಇದಾವ? ಇಲ್ಲ. No ordered pair, that is empty. This is known as empty relation. So definition of empty relation: the relation R in a set A is said to be empty relation if R is equal to no ordered pair denoted by empty, which is subset of A cross B or subset of A cross B. Okay, so subset of A cross B. Now this is known as empty relation. Clear students? Okay, thank you.